Hello, my name is Megan. I am 28 years old. I am from the United States. I was born in Chicago. It is a big city with tall buildings and busy streets. Now I live in France. I moved here 1 year ago. I live in Paris. Paris is a beautiful city. There are old buildings, small streets, and many cafes. I studied at the University of Manchester in England. I studied food science. I love food, cooking, and baking. At university, I also learned about healthy eating. I enjoyed learning how food affects our body and mind. After I finished university, I worked in a bakery. I learned how to make bread and cakes. It was hard work, but I loved it. I woke up early every morning to bake fresh bread. Then I decided to follow my dream. I moved to France and opened a small cafe. My cafe is in a quiet part of Paris. It is small but warm and friendly. Every day people come for coffee, tea, and sweet desserts. I make cookies, tarts, and cakes. Chocolate cake is my favorite. I also make lemon pie and vanilla cupcakes. Sometimes I try new recipes. Some are good, some are not. But I always learn. In the morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock. I drink water and go for a short walk. I listen to the bird and watch the sky. Then I go to the kitchen and start baking. The smell of fresh cake is amazing. After work, I clean the cafe and write in my journal. I like to write about my day and my feelings. It helps me think clearly and feel calm. On weekends, I love nature walks. I go to the park or near the river. I enjoy the sound of the wind in the trees. I also practice meditation. I sit quietly and breathe slowly. It helps me relax and feel happy. I live alone now, but I want to adopt a cat. Maybe a small orange cat or a white one. I love animals. I think a cat would be a good friend. I have not taken a photo in front of the Eiffel Tower yet. I see it sometimes when I walk near the river. It is very beautiful, especially at night. I want to take a photo there soon, maybe with my family. Next week, my family is coming to visit me. My mom, dad, and sister are flying from the US. I am so excited. We will eat together, walk around the city, and take many pictures. Moving to France was a big step. I was scared at first. New place, new people, and a new language. But now I feel strong and happy. This was my dream, and now it is real. I also want to help other people. I want to help people learn English. That's why I started this YouTube channel. In each video, I will speak slowly and clearly. You can listen, read, and speak with me. Don't worry if you make mistakes. It's okay to be slow. You are learning something new. Practice a little every day and smile. You are doing great. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my story. See you in the next video. Take care and keep learning. Bye for now.